You've got 40 leads sitting in your CRM right now. Dutch buyers, German buyers, maybe a few from the Gulf. They inquired. They looked interested. And then, nothing. You think they went with another agent? You're wrong. Most of them didn't buy from anyone. They're still out there, still looking, still not sold. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens and why it's not your listings, it's not your ads, and it's not bad luck. Every agent I talk to thinks the fix is more leads, run more ads, boost the budget, get on more portals. Brother, that's not the problem. The problem is what happens in the 3 to 9 months after the inquiry, because that's how long it actually takes an international buyer to purchase property abroad. Not 2 weeks, not a month. Months. If your follow-up dies after day 3, you're not losing to a better agent. You're losing to time. Here's what's actually happening to your database right now. Reason 1. Response speed. An international buyer sends an inquiry at 11 p.m. their time. You reply the next afternoon. By then, they've already messaged 2 other agents. Reason 2. Language friction. A Dutch or German buyer messages in broken English, or in their own language through a translation tool. You reply in formal English back. It feels distant. So they go quiet. Not because they lost interest, because talking to you felt like work. Reason 3. The follow-up just stops. Most agents follow up twice. Call, maybe a second call, then the lead sits. But remember, this buyer might not purchase for another 6 to 9 months. If your last touch was in month 1, you've already lost them to whoever's still in their inbox in month 7. That's the gap. That's where the deal actually dies. Here's the shift you need to make. Your dead leads aren't dead. They're just early. A not now from an international buyer isn't a no. It's a call me back in month 6, and almost nobody does. The agents winning in Costa del Sol, in Portugal, in Dubai right now, they're not the ones with the biggest ad budget. They're the ones still in the room in the right language on month 7 when the buyer finally says yes. So what actually works? 1. Reply inside minutes, not hours. If you can't do it yourself around the clock, that's a system problem, not a you problem. Solve it with a tool, an assistant, anything, but solve it. 2. Follow up in their language, casually, not a translated brochure. A short, human message. Hey, still thinking about the coastal properties we looked at? In Dutch beats a perfect English paragraph every time. 3. Build a follow-up calendar that runs for months, not days. A message at week 2, a market update at month 2, a new listing matching what they wanted at month 5. You're playing a 9-month game. Follow up like it. Do just those 3 things with the leads already sitting in your CRM today, and you will find buyers in there who were never gone. They were just waiting for someone to still be talking to them. I put together a simple worksheet that helps you sort your CRM in about 10 minutes. Which leads are actually dead and which ones are just asleep, plus a set of message openers in 5 languages you can use today. Links in the description if you want it. If this helped, the next video breaks down the exact follow-up mistake that's probably costing you the most deals right now. I'll see you there.